I need to get this going.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, committed, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that was a good start. Just so you all know. Thunderbolt's in the backup. Two laps down for the Bonds. Deadboat turn 1, turn 2, I'm sorry, deadboat wide turn 2. Actually, it's not wide, it's like lane 3. Oh, there's a boat that's going all different directions in the back. That was actually spectacular. We will give you points for that. Deadboat, right turn, don't forget about the deadboat. Oh, no. Last lap, the Fawns. Hey, that's why it's from Canada. Finish, Fawns. Finish. Cut the course and bring it in. Holly's still running, so we're going to give her third place. Because we are generous around here. Actually, Holly's dead if you can go get her now.
One minute, 45 seconds to fill time.
One away.
1 minute, 30 seconds to fill time. One minute, 15 seconds to fill time. 1 minute to fill time.
All right, last boat coming in.
$45 seconds to fill time. $30 seconds to fill time. 15 seconds to fill time. 10
You're on mill time.
26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, committed, 4, 3,
Got a wild boat?
2, 1.
Good start, good start. One down, 3 lead boat. Make sure your hands are up, guys. Two down, 2 down. Two down for Daniel, halfway. Halfway for Robert. Halfway for Cody. Get boat. Turn 1 about lane 4. Get boat. Four down for all boats. Last lap Daniel. Last lap Robert. Last lap Cody. Last lap. Finish Daniel. Finish Robert. Finish. Finish. Go ahead and come towards. Bring him in.